In the older condos, you can find some really nice locations because they were built before, so often they have beautiful locations straight on the beach. Often you can buy the property cheaper than if you buy it from a new building, and you can invest the money of redecorate it the way you really want it, to have something totally unique to your taste. When you redo a complete apartment, from the day you pass through the door and then completion, you need to plan at least 6 months.
Once the design is confirmed, we need to move the following step, our production drawings, which are very technical, detailed drawings.
It's difficult to do something shorter than that when you have to redo everything.
From there, we move to cutting plans, which is a different software we're using, which actually indicates to our cutting department how to cut every single plate to the proper measurements.
I mean, designing a project like this one, you spend 1-2 months very easily.
Once the assembly is completed, then we move to our test installation department. Now, this allows us, first of all, to make sure the QC, the quality is to par, that all the alignments of the doors, drawers, and so on and so forth is perfect. 99.9% convinced no other manufacturer do this test installation. It costs money, it takes time.
People should look at more at the old buildings because there's definitely some good deals and really interesting place to find.